So I thought of last VC as I told you guys that we will probably have a VC and we might squeeze in some time tomorrow because of course rest all branch managers were not here or the team were equally dear to me. So of course I would like to have address to them also. So tomorrow you will also get to hear from me. Having said that, yes, I think for me it's a very how 2 years has been like. Over the lunch we were discussing a couple of questions which are thrown at me. How I look at this last 2 years. So I came from Mumbai. Okay, I was handling a very different role and coming to a different city here. Okay, first time in Jaipur. Didn't know, and I came in very like a tough weather, so and really vouch for that. So yeah, the 2 years back, winter was very heavy for me.
Yes.
But then I realized that okay, this is how things are, and this is how I need to kind of get settled in. But thereafter, I think as an organization, if I had to look at professionally, the way we started the journey, okay, like I came, there was no devices. So right from there, we started our journey. So getting the devices, roll out, getting on the business, training people, understanding the challenges, all the data inconsistency which I always used to get, really irritated upon that, okay, how this thing is there. But then we picked it up. But now we realize that okay, there is a size and shape that we can give it to this circle, which we try to give it right now. And of course, the new leadership will take it to the next level. Is what I would look at. But all in all, it's a fantastic. I fall in love this place called Jaipur. I mean, I really liked it. Okay, I never thought that I'm gonna love it so much that it's gonna pain me to move from here. But yes, it is. It does. I like the pace of the city, and now talking with the team. Yes, it's like all ups and downs as any normal behavior would be. But I always have confidence in my team. So there's one thing which I always had confidence that yes, no matter what happens, if these guys decided to pull off something, they will be able to pull it off. All they require is some sort of a little direction, a thought process, rather how to look at things. So all 33 I wanted to look at in certain direction. So not all of them were looked at while doing a task in that particular direction only. Some of them were deviated, some of them created their own things. But that's how individuals are, and that's how because management is a very personal way of doing things and all of that. But as an organization, we always wanted to go and wanted to strive to do better. So first year just went off, and second year, last year when we were kind of close, financially got close. I was very keen that we must make this circle one of the top 5 circles, which was and so we could reach the top 4. So I told you many things like unless and like the story of the small boy and arrow story which I told. Never forget that story. That's the story very dear to me in my life. If I do not have the destination where I need to head, okay, I will just hit somewhere and then I'll say this is my destination, this is my target was. So that's not how life works actually. So all of you, when you continue your work, keep that story in that with your heart. Whatever, either you miss it or you come close to the target. Okay, but never say that I hit something and that was my target. That's not the right thing to do. Because professionally and individually I want you to grow in that way. I personally myself had gone in a similar fashion only. There's nothing rocket science which I did. But keep that thing in mind so that you always achieve something. Okay, the sense of achievement when you come to office and when you go back, okay, some result need to get produced, some tick mark need to get done. So like even today you must have observed that we talk about some tasks to be done and then we just kind of tick it off to is it done, is it not done, is it pending, rollover, whatever. So you keep on always doing that. So you produce results somewhere. Ball has to move on. Ball gets stuck and you at a leadership level, like a branch manager level, I want to say that moment you stop, okay, the further rollover will never happen. Okay, so keep on doing that, okay, keep on the toes, producing small little success, vision story. And I always say 2 words, like karya or karyakram. It's very important thing that way. You must do the karya and you must portray the work that you have done. And more so, not in pictures and all of that, but right now I think leader will be numbers. Okay, always say use alphanumeric language, okay. Whenever somebody talks too much of alpha to me, I kind of get a little disturbed. And I say, no, put a number to it. And that's the right way of doing it, build up that culture. It will give you a lot of, you will be able to put a number to everything. And everything can be put a number. Okay? People think that no, it's not possible, but it is damn very possible. Anything that will take it up. So use that sort of language, it will help you as an individual to grow as a manager also. And you will be able to better off your lead. And you will always keep on track on those, what the progress is all about. Yeah, many people say that I did not scold it, but yeah, I mean, that's not my style of working either. But yes, I think last VC was the exception. When none of you guys were there present, but those who were, I think probably kind of experienced that. Yes, I did got irritated to extend that as to why after such a long period of 2 years, and more than 2 years in the places, people are still struggling to get the very basic things done, which is where I kind of got a little angry upon, and I said, no, this is not really acceptable to me. So So that's about it. And one thing, yes, and to that extent, I want to put a context to it. So wherever I scolded, I think Gautam was there at that point in time in VC. I have an analogy to make here. So analogy is very simple. Like in a derby, okay, there is a jockey and there is a horse, right? That's what a derby is all about. And the jockey always hit that horse, okay, very very viciously. Horse doesn't understand why that guy is hitting to me, and because he hits him, okay, he runs faster. Jockey knows that the more harder I hit him, the faster he runs, and that's how I'm going to win my race. That's a simple equation. Is all about derby, okay, and that's how it works. But the intention of a jockey to hit the horse is never to hurt him, okay, but to make him win the race, because eventually horse is the one who gets the title and never the jockey. Okay, so you need to understand that. So whenever I pushed you hard, I scolded you or do something, because I wanted you guys to win that particular thing, rather than not individually for me to do it. So that's the way I look at things. Okay, whenever I scolded my team also, because I want each and every team to come out as a winner, and you all have that capability. What happens sometimes is that in the due course of time or a daily routine, we tend to miss out on larger picture. Okay, so let not that happen. And of course, as a leader, we should never be missing on our larger target is. I want the new leadership, of course, will take it up, and Kuldeep is right here and continuing. What I create is very simple, that our service should be in top 5, and that basically will be a produced result by all the branches. Okay, so if you start doing that and putting things together, no, I'm sure you will grow yourself well. You will be able to write a good story for yourself. Okay, so that's very very important thing from my side. And usually I always say that scolding not really helps, but sometimes yes, it kind of get really immature than I do. But that's not my way of always ask the right question to seek the right answer. If you're not asking the right question, you will never get the right answer. Okay, you start hitting around the bush and try to find the answer on your own, which really kind of doesn't help. So I have a pointed question. I always appreciated in the VCs and con calls also. Put a point and continue to have that like that. So unless until you have a right answer, you will not able to grow. So that's from my side. But all in all, yeah, I think what he rightly put across is that certain skill set require, need to be utilized a certain way. So I actually learned new certain of skill set last 2 years, if I had to say. I never done branch banking ever in my life, never ever. So this is the first time I actually learned on the job as to how to manage these things and how to do it and all of that. But I was quite confident that I was able to get there. Good that we did our engagement with your DOP team members. It's very very critical. Continue to do that. Okay, that's a foundation, and that foundation should not get any cracks, because that's where we kind of grow as an organization. So while I go there, of course, I will continue to have that sort of a bigger level of interactions, but objective will be the same, to build up that sort of collaboration that we as an organization kind of grow. We are just very young, very old, so there's a lot of synergy that we need to kind of find in place and grow. We as an organization, there's a lot to learn. I would always say that there's a lot to learn. So continue to do that, and my point is that be result driven. Okay, be result driven. Put numbers to it. Have a target. That whatever target is there, don't say that. Don't create your own target. Sub target into that. Be result driven, and I'm sure you guys will do fantastically great in your job. And while you do that, as somebody has rightly pointed that, if you're not able to grow your team member, how will you go to the next level? You're always stuck with the same position that where you are. Okay. So unless until you grow, make that person capable enough, you actually grow a person. And of course, as a vested interest, yes, you want to go up, so somebody has to fill up your shoes also, right? I mean, that's how simple it is, right? So be that way always. Never say that knowledge is held back, is worth treasuring. No, knowledge is just to be distributed all over the place. Okay, skill set are just to be developed around, and that's why we as an organization will grow. Look at the collective building up that will happen. So today, I think we have this guy didn't have the Excel knowledge before. He didn't have before. So right now, collectively, how much knowledge both of them have? Okay, so that's a small little thing that we did, right? Right. So from the perspective, it's very very important. You as a leader start building those skill set around the people, so that collectively become much more stronger, and not a one person dependent, one person heading all the knowledge and all of that. Never have that sort of thing. It doesn't really kind of help. And your knowledge sharing is not your loss. In fact, it's actually much more again, because you kind of refresh your own thing what you know. Because in reality, probably we know many of the things in our hindsight, but we kind of do not refresh it, so we don't put a word to it, and so we always knew it that I had it before. But the moment you pass on, you get refreshed. So our knowledge also gets refreshed to that extent. So have a simple approach in that way. Every day produce some fantastic result. I'll be sitting there up, and I will of course be watching wherever the MIS or anything would come. Where is my circle going to be? I always calling them my circle. So that I think that word will seldom will go away, it seems. That will probably very time soon. So, but I would like to see this place to grow, because of course a lot of attachments have been there. So having said that, but my best wishes to all of you. Anytime, yes, I'm just a call away. Having said that, of course, like Sometimes I may not be able to take the call, but we can always chat, discuss as and when the time comes. Okay, so feel free. Okay, but have right questions so that you get a right answer. That's all I want to say. Okay, thank you. चाय पिलाएंगे?
सर
सर
वेट
4 बजे का टाइम